Welcome to this month's Investor Check-In. I'm George Mitten, investment writer here at Nutmeg. I'm here with Brad and Pacome from the investment team who are going to give us an update. What's been happening in the markets this month?
Well, developments in the markets this month have demonstrated the sensitivity of markets to the news flow surrounding Brexit and surrounding the US-China trade negotiations. Now, on Brexit, there's been some good news. There's been a potential deal announced. The currency has rallied as a result of that announcement. But still, there is this vexed issue of the customs borders surrounding Northern Ireland. Now, we'll watch the space very carefully. There's still a chance that Parliament could scupper any deal. There's plenty of politics to play out. We still think that the most likely outcome is a Brexit extension and an early election. But there still is a potential surprise deal possible.
You also mentioned the US. What's been happening there?
Yeah, the US remain a center stage for financial markets with two situations that are closely watched by the market. The first one is the US-China trade, with the first sight of a potential resolution where US farmers could sell their harvest to China, and on the other side, Chinese will escape some of the upcoming tariff. We're still far away from a resolution, but it is a first step in this negotiation that can be seen favorably by market participants. The second one is the Fed decision on the 30th of October. The market participants are seeing a 75% probability of a rate cut, whereas the Fed has indicated that they might not do it. So this is worth watching quite actively, as it can impact the bond market overall with some potential for market movement.
So what are markets looking for?
Well, markets are looking for good news on the rate cuts, on the news flow around Brexit and US trade negotiations. We've seen bond yields rise, stock indices rise as a result of the tentative announcements already. We've seen the UK currency rise and fall on this news flow, and that, I think, will continue.
Yeah, and we continue to watch very actively those three situations, and we'll adjust the portfolio accordingly when we see changes.